Hi boys and girls, it is Tuesday, time for math. We're going to start with another problem of the day, and I'm going to start reading it to you, and I want you to try to solve it. Richard picked 13 flowers for his mother, but dropped 8 flowers on his way home. How many flowers does he still have to give to his mom? So let's think about what kind of story this is, what kind of math problem this is actually. Are we adding or subtracting? He had 13 flowers and he dropped 8. And we want to know how many flowers he still has left. Then it would make sense to subtract. Okay, so let's look at what that would look like. So if we have 13, we had 13 flowers, and he dropped 8, so we're going to take away 8. How many flowers are left? I want you to think about that for a minute. Okay, one way to do that is to count up from 8 to 13. So let's see what that looks like. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 5. Okay, you could have also said to yourself, oh, I know that 8 plus 5 is 13, so our missing part would be 5. Okay, let's move on to our lesson for today. Today's lesson is making tally charts. This is lesson 10.6. And so after today's lesson, you're going to go to your math to-do list on Go Math, and you are going to do the 2 10.6 lessons. So let's get started. How can you make a tally chart to show the boats at the lake? Okay, so let's look at the picture here. Let me get a little closer so you can see. So I see some boats have sails and some boats do not have sails. Okay, so let's look at our tally table. And the title of our tally table is Boats at the Lake. And so first we're going to count our boats with sails. So let's go ahead and look at our picture again, and we're going to count the boats with the sails, and as I'm counting, I'm going to cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they already have 2 tally marks there for me, so I'm going to finish that up with 2 more to make 4. Okay, so in total, boats with sails is 4. And boats without sails, let's count our boats without sails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm going to draw 6 tally marks. So remember, when I have a group of 5, I have my 4 tally marks, and I'm going to draw one more line through it, and that means it's a group of 5. And then I have one more. Okay, so that shows 6. So there are 6 boats without sails. Okay, next we're going to look at the fish in the fish tank. And the directions say use the picture to complete the tally chart, then answer each question. All right, so fish in the tank, we have zebrafish and angelfish. Let me get you a little bit closer. We're going to count our zebrafish first. Those are the ones with the stripes going across. So let me go ahead and count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm going to make my 5 tally marks. Think about what 5 tally marks looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. You wouldn't want to put another tally mark off to the side. Okay, so that's 5. And angelfish, let's count our angelfish. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 angelfish. 1, 2, 3. Total is 3. Okay, our first question says, how many zebrafish are in the tank? You say it. Okay, good. 5. How many more zebrafish than angelfish are there? Okay, so that's a subtraction problem. So we have 5 zebrafish and 3 angelfish. How many more zebrafish? So you can say to yourself, I know 5, take away 3 is 2. Okay, or you could count up from 3 to 5. You could look at your tally marks. You can see that there are 2 more tally marks for a zebrafish than angelfish. Okay, how many zebrafish and angelfish are in the tank? What kind of problem is that? Addition or subtraction? If we want to know how many fish in all, that is addition. Okay, so 5 plus 3 is 8. All right, next we're going to make our own. We're going to make up some data here because I don't have 10 friends to ask. If we were at school, we would ask 10 of our friends. Unfortunately, we are not. Okay, it says, which of these snacks do most children like the best? Ask 10 friends, make 1 tally mark for each child's answer. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick, just make up some data here. Let's say that 3 children said they like pretzels. Let's say that 5 children said they like apples, and 2 said they like yogurt. Okay, so there's my 10 tally marks. I have 3 plus 5, that's 8, plus 2 more is 10. And I'm gonna fill in my totals. So 3 for pretzel, 5 for apple, and 2 for yogurt. Okay, how many children chose pretzels? Okay, we can easily look at our tally table, see the answer is 3. How many children chose yogurt? And we can look easily and see that that is 2. Which snack do children like the best? Oh, we have some healthy kids here. They like apples the best. Okay, think smart. What if 6 children out of 10 children chose pretzel? Which snack would be the favorite? Circle it. So let's think about that. If 6 out of the 10 chose pretzel, then which snack would be the favorite? Do you know the answer? Well, I think it would be pretzel because there's no way that more people could choose apple or yogurt or even both apple and yogurt together to equal more than 6 if we have 6 out of 10 children. So the answer would have to be pretzel. Can you think of your own question to ask about the tally chart? I want you to think about that. A question from me. How many more children liked apple than yogurt? Okay. All right, my friends, we are going to go ahead and do our Go Math lessons on our Go Math website. So you're going to go to Go Math. You are going to go to your to-do list, and remember we are on 10. Let me just make sure 10.6. You have 2 lessons for 10.6. Have fun, everybody. See you next time. Bye.